Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings. Next you have to enter sound section, and then phone ringtone. Here you have some of the preset pre-installed ringtones. You can also set a ringtone for each SIM card. So let's select a ringtone from SIM card 1. For example, it could be none. Wow, so beautiful ringtones. I guess I'll just pick none of them. And that's it. That's how you change ringtone. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.